Hello everyone, welcome to the Tellow family kitchen, where we've been lucky to have some special guests lately. My niece Abby was here. She shared her recipe for fudge brownies with walnuts, and my nephew Evan and our friend Tennyson showed us a recipe for spicy ramen noodles. Hope you have a chance to watch those videos. And today, another Mediterranean style dish on tap. We're going to be making chicken curry with potatoes. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? It's definitely a favorite in the Tellow household. Here's the ingredients we'll be using. The chicken is still in the refrigerator. We'll use a little bit of butter, curry powder, salt, cumin. Later we'll add some water and some tomato sauce. We'll use 1 red potato and half of a yellow onion. So the first thing we're going to do is melt the butter in our pan. We'll put it in like this and then turn it on high heat. Then the next thing we'll do is chop our yellow onion here. I'm going for some thin slices here. After we have the onions chopped, we'll add them here to our pan with the butter. And then we'll saute them a little bit, get them mixed in nice with the butter. Next, while the onions are sauteing, we'll peel our potato. After we have the potato peeled, we'll just give it a quick wash over here, just like that. Next, we'll add the rest of our ingredients, starting with our curry powder. We're going to use just a small spoon here. The more spicy you want it, you can add more curry. And then also our cumin powder, just a pinch like that. Then we'll mix the curry and the cumin powder in. Get that nice and sauteed. Up next, we'll add 1.5 cups of water. This is 1 cup. Then we'll add another 1/2 cup. And then just a little bit of salt for flavor there. And before we get the chicken ready, the last thing we'll add is some tomato sauce. We'll be using 2 of these wooden spoons here. Right there. After that, we'll cut up our potato. And then we'll just also cut it this way. And once we're done with the potatoes, go ahead and put that in. And for the final part, this is just optional. I like to put on a cooking glove before I deal with the chicken, and we'll put those in to our mixture here. So I have 2 pieces of chicken here, going for about maybe 1 serving. Put 1 in there. And then we'll cook these on medium heat with the potatoes for about 7 to 10 minutes. One of Mom's tips, she said the chicken will usually cook before the potatoes, so after about 7 minutes, we'll lower it to medium heat. One way you can check if it's done, if you put a knife into the chicken like this and no liquid comes out, then it's likely finished. After we let it cool down, we'll get some on a plate and try it. The spices of this chicken curry just smells delicious. Give it a taste here. Perfect. Just an awesome blend of ingredients. That is really delicious. And thanks again to Mom for not only running the camera, but for sharing the recipe and for the ingredients and recipe for the chicken curry and potatoes. You'll find those at the bottom of the video, and hope you join us next time for another Mediterranean style dish.